Here I have MOTOROLA Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to access recent section. If you have the 3 buttons navigation set up, you will have the recent button here, but if you have the gesture navigation, all you need to do is to just swipe your finger like this, and you can access this section. And here you can see all of your opened apps which you probably don't use right now. So what you can do to close them all at once, swipe here, and here you have the button clear all, and after that all of these apps will be cleared, and that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.